Welcome to another DJ Wilson STEM video. I do want to invite you all to this part two version or video of me showing you some cool design tips in SketchUp. So one of the things that we did before is we created this house over here. Where I showed you how to use the orbit tool on how to rotate around. We used the rectangle tool to draw the frame and the push-pull tool to pull it up and the arrow tool to then do some additional design work. But let's do this. Let's actually go inside the house. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do two things. I'm going to use the walking tool, okay? But I'm going to scroll in using the wheel on the mouse. Then once I kind of get inside the house, I'm now going to use the walking tool to kind of like move a little bit slowly as I walk around, okay? As I look around, okay? So I can look up at the ceiling or I can look down, okay? So, and this is actually the window that we're looking out of right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay right here. And some cool things that you're able to do is add some paint to the walls, okay? So if you use this tool right here, you can click here and you can determine, okay, what type of paint do I want to use, okay? So let's say these are some of the colors that I have. So I can paint my walls this mauve color, or this, or as it's called, Helen skin, or I can use a Helen hair, okay? So you have a lot of different options. You can also click on the browse, and what that will do is that will give you and click on colors, and that will give you even more options of colors to choose from. Some of these nice pastel colors, or you could choose a nice blue, okay, to be your colors of your walls. Now, some of the other cool things that you can do is you can choose different types of materials. So you see right here, there's carpets and fabrics. So with these, obviously, if I want carpet, I can put some carpet down. So let's use this carpet right here, okay? And so now I'm going to grab my walking tool and I'm going to scroll this way a little bit. All right. And wait, I don't remember. What color did I paint this wall? Well, let me show you. Check this out. If you go back to your paint tool, right? And this is your sample material. If you click here and click here, okay, it'll grab this color and now I can paint this wall that color. Now notice it doesn't look that color, and the reason is because of the shadowing inside the home. So as I scroll this way some more, you'll see that the colors and the shading starts to get more in line with this wall. So I don't want you to think that it's a different color because it's not a different color, okay? So let's do this. I am going to come out of the house. I'm going to use my orbit tool because I'm going to come out of the house pretty quickly, okay? And the same things that you did inside the house, notice as I'm looking inside the house, right? I see my carpet and I see my nice blue walls. You can also add siding to your home. And let me do this. Let me decrease that. So I can, there's landscaping and fencing. There's roofing. So I'm going to add a roof to my work. And then as I begin to, again, orbit around my house, I can make sure to add that same roofing to both sides. Okay, you can do the same thing for your siding of your home. Okay, and that's right here. So you can choose your different types of siding. Okay, all right, and then we'll pick